Our next stop is to the cultural center of Amman. We're still in Jordan and we're heading to Rainbow Street. Now, it hasn't got that name because of what you can imagine. It was named after the nearby Rainbow Cinema. So we're gonna walk through the downtown area. I might show you the hustle and bustle of Amman. The traffic is very bad in this area. And I was able to walk faster than a bus. So let's walk to Rainbow Street and check out this cool, trendy area which is loved by the locals. So the traffic's been bumper to bumper like this for the last hour and a half. And it's probably in like a 1.5 kilometer radius. It's crazy, it doesn't even move. Now it is like peak hour, but it hasn't been. And it was still like this. Okay, found a little street market, which looks interesting. And then, wow, look at all these dates. Just like Morocco, they love the dates. Oh, we even got some ancient remains here. So it's different fruits, vegetables. Oh, look at the bread. Oh, I'm sure this bread's amazing. Oh, I wonder what this is. It's got sultanas or raisins. I don't know what makes it yellow. Oh, yeah, like a fruit and vegetable market here. Oh, nice. Right in front of this old building. Let's see what it is. It's closed, so we can't get in. So this is like the remains of like Roman baths. But yeah, it's not open and not much remains, unfortunately. And this area is very busy. I don't know if it's normally this busy or it's because Ramadan is starting in the next day or two and they might be doing all the necessary shopping to prepare for that. Here we've got a massive mosque in front of us. So this mosque has 2 massive minarets. And it's like they're giving out free food, I believe. So yeah, there's a line, they get a package, free food. That's not very nice. Like, I'd wonder if it's for like the poor people or they just give it to everyone. Why am I always going upstairs? Now up a steep hill. One thing that surprised me about Jordan is that there's liquor stores and places where you can actually drink. So I was thinking it'd be more conservative, but it's not so far. Like, you can't drink out on the street, but you're able to drink. And we're not finished with the stairs yet. Never ending. These ones are nice and blue at least. Well, not nice, but some of it's blue. So we're at Rainbow Street, but I think the first part of it's quite residential. We have to walk a bit more to get to the interesting part. But after coming up those staircases and getting away from the downtown traffic, it's now so peaceful. And this is kind of like the area where I'm staying. It's so far away from the downtown craziness. And yet only, I think it was like 30-minute walk. So we're starting to get some shops and cafes now. So we're coming into more of the actual Rainbow area. And we've got another minaret just behind here. Scarves, souvenirs. So this area is a lot more quieter than I thought it was going to be. Maybe it's like I guess it's probably like a high-end area. So the prices aren't great for locals. Because like there's souvenirs, bookshops. Here we go, another view, like all the buildings go up the hill, and then we have a huge flag. I think the only flag I've seen bigger is in India. That is a massive flag. A nice view. You can sit down here, eat some food, have a non-alcoholic drink. So it is like the cultural center. You've got like different, I've seen like quite a few bookshops, There's many handicraft stores, some as souvenirs, others for like targeting locals. We've got a shisha stall. Oh, we've finally got some colour on this street. For a street called Rainbow Street, it's missing colour. Kebab sandwich, best in town. Kebab wrap for $1 dinar. So here's a map. So we came up the last staircase here and we've walked all the way down Rainbow Street to here. Oh, there's a British Council school, and it will come out at the first circle. And just off Rainbow Street we've got a nice little street that's got rainbow baskets. This looks more like Rainbow Street than actual Rainbow Street. So there's a lot more food places here. Not so much restaurants, but kebab stalls and bakeries. So here we got one of the liquor stores I was mentioning. So yeah, Rainbow Liquor Store. So you can buy alcohol in there. A pizzeria, a gallery. You can buy some silver. We've got, well, old furniture like with mosaics and rugs, vases, the scarves, coffee house. And here we are at First Circle, so that is the end of Rainbow Street. It was really nice to walk along there, and if you're wanting to eat some food, do a little bit of shopping, it's a nice place to go and you don't have the craziness of the downtown area. I'm not sure about the prices, it's probably a little bit more expensive, I guess. Goodbye and see you at the next stop in Jordan.